The significance of owning 0.005 Bitcoin. Why everyone should get 0.005 Bitcoin now. A decade of growth and future potential. Hey there, if you're keeping an eye on the financial world, you are probably noticed Bitcoin making headlines again. As we stand as of March 21st, 2025, Bitcoin price sits at an impressive $86,000. But here's one thing, you don't need to buy the whole Bitcoin to get in on the action. Even a small fraction like 0.005 Bitcoin could be your ticket to joining financial revolution. I'll break down why grabbing 0.005 Bitcoin right now is a smart move, showing you how its value has soared over the past 10 years and explain why future looks bright for the digital asset. Let's dive in. First off, why 0.005 BTC? It's a tiny slice of Bitcoin, sure, but don't let the size fool you. At today's price, 0.005 BTC is worth $349. Not exactly pocket change, but way more affordable than a full Bitcoin. What's exciting is how much a small amount has grown over the time and what it could become. Bitcoin's history shows us that even fractions of coin can turn in some serious money, thanks to a wild price swings and long-term upward trend. Plus, with experts predicting more growth, owning even a little Bitcoin could pay off big later. So why not get a piece of the pie? Let's take a trip down the memory lane and see how Bitcoin's price has evolved over the past decade. I'll be discussing the table about Bitcoin's approximate price on January 1st of each year from 2015 to 2025, plus today's value as of March 2024, March 24, 2025. Check this out. 2015, $248. 2016, it went up to $430, $27,000. 2018, $13,850. 2019, it fell down to $7,200. 2020, $7,161. 2021, $29,000. 2022, $45,000. 2023, $55,000. 2024, $93,425. And as of today, it is sitting at a comfortable $86,000. Wow, right? Back in 2015, 0.005 BTC was worth $1.24. Today, it's $349. That's a massive leap. Even with small ups and downs along the way, like the crash from 13,850 to $7,200 in 2018 and 19. But look at the bigger picture. Bitcoin keeps bouncing back and climbing higher, hitting 86,000 as of 2025. This roller coaster ride has made every early adopter very rich and happy, and it's not too late for you to join them. Why has Bitcoin's price skyrocketed? So, what's driving this crazy growth? Limited supply. There is only 21 million of them, period. As more people and companies want it, the price naturally goes up, especially after halving. Big players jumping in. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, plus some governments are buying Bitcoin by the truck. US and China hold almost $200,000 Bitcoins for each of the country. Russia holds it too. A shield against chaos. When inflation spikes or currencies wobble, Bitcoin shines as a decentralized safe haven that governments can't mess with. Tech upgrades. Improvements like Lightning Network make Bitcoin faster and cheaper to use, adding to its appeal. These forces have turned Bitcoin into a powerhouse, and they are not slowing down anytime soon. Here's where it goes really exciting. Experts are throwing out some bold predictions for Bitcoin's future. Tommy Lee from Stats have predicted $250,000 by the end of 2025. Matthew Sigel has predicted $180,000. Kathy Hood has from Ark Hood. She's aiming at $1 million in 5 years. Even if it doesn't hit the dizzying heights, more modest forecasts like 75,000 by 175,000 by the year end still seems big gains. Imagine if Bitcoin jumps to uh, $250,000 by 2026. Your 0.005 Bitcoin will be worth more than $1,500, more than double what you have paid today. Not that a bad return. Still in the fence? Here's why. Here's why now the time to act. It's affordable. A whole Bitcoin might be out of reach, but $350 for 0.005 Bitcoin, it's doable for most of us. Upside potential. If a Bitcoin keeps climbing, even this small amount could grow significantly. Why miss out? Small diversification. With inflation creeping up and markets getting shaky, Bitcoin's a unique way to protect your money. Bitcoin's journey from $248,000 in 2015 to $86,000 today is a proof of its staying power. Sure, it has its wild moments, but the trend is clear. It's heading up. By grabbing 0.005 BTC now, you're not just buying digital coin, you're investing in a future where money works differently. Whether it hits $150,000 or $1 million, your small stake could grow into something big. So what are you waiting for? Get your 0.005 BTC today and join the revolution.